What is up, everybody? This is the Shoutouts here, and we are gonna be doing some Fallout Shelter. Yay! And yeah, so let's get right into it. I started on it. I'm not that good, really. Yeah, so. And yeah, guys, so